Hey guys, Heidi here, and tonight I'm going to talk to you about the importance of standing out in social media and how to make yourself stand out. Um, I'm going to go through a couple different examples of what to do, what not to do, not necessarily what not to do, but what's going to make you stand out, what's going to make you different. We all scroll through Facebook and Instagram and Twitter all day long, and if we all have the same images, the same graphics, people are just going to scroll right by. So what can you do to make yourself stand out? Here's a couple examples. Okay, so here is this week's feature of the week. I've got two different graphics here. Now, the first one that you see over here on the left side, that is the one that is provided by Posh Home Office. You can find it in the Posh box, and that's great to go and post on your Facebook feed. But if everybody's posting the same graphic, how are you going to stand out? How are you going to be noticed? You see the one on the right, I just added a quick little border to it, and I added something very personal to it, which is my website. The image on the left, there's no website. There's no way to know how to go and get all that glitters. Stay gold. And the image on the right, boom, there's my website right smack in the middle. It's eye-catching. The whole image is going to stand out differently on Facebook to somebody than the one on the left. So here's another wonderful example of making a personalized image. I happen to swipe this from our awesome Platinum Premieres page. You will see here she's showing the product. She's showing a great description. And up top here, she's got her logo. She's got her phone number. She's got her website all here on the image. So this, again, is going to stand out differently on social media and be a different image that's a little bit more eye-catching. And of course, another great way to show off your product, and in my opinion, one of the very best ways, is to show pictures of yourself actually using the product. This is a picture of my husband and I that we took, like 6-7 months ago. And when I posted this picture up on Facebook, I'm not kidding, I sold 3 Drop Dead Gorgeouses that night. Everybody thought it was so adorable because I included my husband in the picture. It's also great if you include pictures of your kids using the products. So post pictures of yourself using Posh. People want to know that not only are you selling it, but you're using it too. And that makes great recommendations, when they see that you're using the product. Okay, so how do you make these cool, interesting, different graphics without Photoshop? You don't have to have Photoshop to add a border and do fun stuff. A couple of apps that I use on my phone, one of the ones that I love is called Youdoodle. It's Youdoodle. I use that one on my phone a lot if I'm not on my computer. Another one I use to make side-by-side comparisons is called Live Collage. And that one is real simple. You just drop the pictures into, the little spots. It gives you different frames to pick from. But if I'm on my computer, I like to use PicMonkey a lot. Now, this is a free website. Yes, you can pay for it, but I don't because I'm cheap. So, okay, I want to make that little design that I made before, with the border and the polka dots of my website. And you go right here to design, and I just happen to pick square. And then this pops up. Now, play with this. It's a lot of fun. You can do all different things. What I did, I started off with the canvas color, and I went over here, and I just put in, okay, if it's going to work for me, the Photoshop number for Perfectly Posh Pink. Now, if you don't know where that is, you can go to Facebook, and on the Rockstar Graphics page, there is a pinned post. And right here, it shows you Photoshop image number is E0457B. You don't have to memorize it. You can just copy and paste. So I go over here and I put this in. It doesn't want to work. What is wrong with me today? Here, let's try. So you go to Edit, Canvas Color. Oh, that's because I was clicking on the wrong thing. See, I'm no expert. So there is our Posh Pink. Now I want to add the polka dot background. So I go over here to Overlays. Oh, I forgot to apply my canvas color. There we go. Overlays. Now I had already downloaded a black and white polka dot background earlier today. Where is it? Should be in my downloads. There it is. And that will automatically put that in. This little box right here, you can move around to adjust it. You can adjust the size here if you want to. And then to add the picture, where did I save that? Desktop, there it is. And then I just go and adjust here. Now this you can move around to wherever you want it. Then to add your website, just go over here to text. Now again, I try and stay with the trademark fonts from Posh, which are also posted in the same pinned post in Rockstar Graphics. It's right here. These are all the different fonts that are used. For this particular one, I chose Babus or Bebus or whatever you want to call it. And I had downloaded that already, so it's coming up. You click Ours if you want to use their fonts. And if you want to use the fonts that you already have on your computer, PicMonkey will let you do that. You just click yours, and it's right here. And you go over here, add text, click in the box. Now you can change the shape of the box. Also right here, you can change your size of your font however you want it, if you want it big or small or whatever you want. It's, you know, a very flexible, very easy program to learn, to work with. Excuse me. And then if you're happy with how it comes out, you hit save and it'll ask you where you want to save it and what do you want to name it. And save it to my computer. Now if you don't have a Mac, it'll be a little bit different, but that just happens to be how mine works. So I hope this helps you out. Go to PicMonkey, play around, it's a lot of fun, and try and make your images stand out so that you stand out on social media. You guys have a great night. Bye.